I am Thomas Jefferson. You may know me as the author of the Declaration of Independence or as the third President of the United States, as an avid gardener or architect. You may know me as America's first wine connoisseur or as the father of American meteorology. Not as many people are as excited about the meteorology as they are about the wine. I am at the National Constitution Center, surrounded by my ancient contemporaries and friends. I will be back here at the National Constitution Center making new friends, and I invite you to join me on Tuesday, April 23rd, from 10 in the morning until noon. And if you join me there, I'll be happy to answer questions about any of the subjects I've mentioned and more. I'll be happy to talk even about all of my friends and contemporaries. Why, there's Benjamin Franklin, and there's George Washington, and James Madison, and Alexander. Well, I won't be as happy to talk about Alexander Hamilton, but you get the point. Anyhow, I hope to see you there.